thing I notice about estate sales and old, like, you go to garage sales and estate sales, there's always someone's stuff being sold. And you think about it, like, you're going to a estate sale, you're buying old stuff. Somebody like us watching this was a tool aficionado. Basically, I don't know, I'm not really a tool aficionado, I'm just a junk collector, I think. But anyway, somebody basically dropped dead, and all their tools are on the side of the road being sold by someone in their family. And there's always these big things that are being sold. And it's always, wait, let me move this out of the way here. I'll put this down so you can see. There's always stuff like this. Those old hardware bins. See? These things. And this friend of mine dropped me off. And I don't know if I need everything in it, but it, I want to go through this and see what's in it. I'll show you. Like $20 for a box full of hardware. I don't really care, because if I don't want it, I'll dump it all out and basically chuck everything. But if you want to sit here and go through this with me, fine. It's always interesting to see what people keep. Like what the hell is this? I don't know what that is. There's shit, I don't know. Random pieces of hooks. Let me turn the light on here. Right now, I don't know what this is. Do you know what this stupid thing is? Who knows? Bolts. Sometimes little hinges are worth keeping. But how many little hinges could you have before you feel like you're unhinged? And then there's this one. Like, there's some screws and nuts in there I'll never use. I mean, some are pretty ornate though. I mean, like, what the hell is this for? See? This looks like somebody just took shit apart like me, but instead of throwing it out, they kept it. These ones make good little legs. There's one. There's the little, what do they call these? Peanut screws. What do they call them? Little Allen key things. Those are useful sometimes if you're playing with machines. Like, there's all kinds of crap in here. So, there's that one. What else we got? Oh, what the hell's this? I have... Anybody know what the hell these are? Let me know, and tell me the time and what the hell and where on the thing this is, and I'll let you know. Maybe they go in gyprock. Is that it? Put that in gyprock, put the screw in, and then it stays in there. Chain. I'm feeling a little bit off the chain right now. Not really. These are useful. I use these in my store all the time. I hang junk on the ceiling. Literally old junk. We got, what is this? Used pop rivets? Like, I don't know what the hell these are. Like, look, are these busted pop rivets right here? See, like, wait, let me see if I can get something to show you this thing. Like, I don't, doesn't look like a pop rivet. There's no, and again, is it like the end's broken, cut off? These are electrical things. I'll throw these out. I have 1,000 of them. And what else? Plus, these are like seriously old and shitty galvanized. Then there's pins. Like, we need more pins. These things, L brackets, no word of a lie, I think I have 400 of them. I've bought so many bags of 100 and reused them and used them, reused them. This is, oh look, Canorada. Like, I really don't think they make hinges in England anymore. Like it says, made in England on there. Anybody think they make those in England anymore? I don't think so. I think that company went under years ago. That's for a hose. Like, I'll never use that again. Bearings, really bad ones. Like, they don't even roll good. Like, these look like those fabric things for cars. So yeah, some of it's going in the trash. Some of it's going in the trash. But come on, out. My God, really? There's one screw. These look like blue screws and bolts and other shit. Not very exciting. Wooden dowels, because I do so much woodwork. These look like miniature drywall Tapcon type things. They spread up in the drywall. There we got more screws. Rusty ones too. So should I vapor rust those ones? I literally have thousands of these. Yeah, total. One of those little feet. Like where would you keep one? More dowels. These are the worst, folks. Flathead screwdrivers. If you're fixing, making shit look vintage, fine. But man, do they suck. Oh, look. Anybody want to pinch your nose? Oh, nosy, nosy. Pinch your nose. More things. Oh, these are for concrete. These, as far as I know, are for either IKEA furniture or concrete. I don't know. Probably both. What the hell's this? These look like for windshield wiper blades. Those are useless. I usually throw them out to begin with. More screws. Nothing interesting in there. Bigger screws. More screws and furniture hardware. Nuts and bolts. These look like they're brass or something. Washers. I don't know what this is. Not really sure what kind of washer that is, but that's pretty weird. Put them in the art supply pile. This has got more square hardware. Some of these old square bolts come in handy for older hardware. But some of this shit is just useless. Useless. Like, when am I going to use a flathead fucking bolt? Really? Yeah, I think I'll strip faster than... So some of them I might just build in front of. These things, same thing. Lots of flathead ones. I don't want flathead ones. They're useless. But chuck those and see if anybody wants them. Hinges with no pins. Yeah, that's useless. Barrettes for electrical. What else we got here? I should probably go like this. Which one was that? This one? That was screws. Wait, is that this one? Yeah, this one's all screws. Okay. Screws. Boring. This says, like, why were you saving this, dude? Like, you know, little pretend magnet. A little clip or something. I'm sure all this stuff came from somewhere. But I know where half of it's going. These are... Who the hell saves staples? Like, they all break off individually? Or are these made like this? Maybe they're old school. You do one at a time in the stapler. Furniture tacks. Maybe when I decide to upholster one of my seats, I'll do a furniture tack. There's regular tacks in here. There's none of those nasty black ones. There's all kinds of like tacks in here. Those I might keep, because you could always attack something. There's more plastic shit, more junk. A key that says made in the UK. What is it? SMS, something. 2 keys, 3, 4 keys, 4 key. Look at that. There's 4 keys in here. 1 4 key, 2 4 key. These look like random aluminum washers and stuff. Scrap. Keep the aluminum up, down. There's more furniture tacks in here. This looks like a knob or something. Looks like somebody lost a knob. Right here. See? There's junk in there. And more electrical crap. There you go, electrical crap. This one's full of more crap. I wanted the box mostly. These real pearls? Who knows? Anybody know how to sell? Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Got the little eyeball. Whoa! Oh, these are cool. These I've never seen these. the little, like either these are the blades for a miniature tractor thing, Si, or those are the things you put in pictures. Those I might keep. And the little picture hanger things, which those are useful sometimes. See, here's what's in there. I should have showed you the rest of them like that. This one's full of crap. See, nuts and bolts. Looks like someone did a little dabbling in woodwork. Giant little plug thingies. What do they call them? Dowels. There we go. These are safety pins and a giant, what do they call those? Cap screw. Safety pin and something else. What's this? Another little crappy thing. This one. A knob. Anybody need a, oh, that's actual metal knob. Look at that, that's cool. Anybody need a knob for vintage RCA? I don't know, just kidding. Probably for a car. Put on off, high, medium, high, super high, low, ignite. Be quiet. This is drive me nuts. Nuts, more nuts. I always keep nuts because sometimes I use them. This is those picture things. You know what these are good for? I actually have a use for these. I'm planning on, I have a bunch of old Fisher-Price toys. And I'm gonna, they're ones with the wooden bottoms. I'm gonna put them on there and hang them on my ceiling in my store. These things. Ooh, these look. You ever play with those? Those tacks? Ooh, yeah. These are back in the day when tacks were dangerous, man. You gotta have some BALLS. These are deadly little suckers. Nobody uses those anymore. Basically miniature nails. This is, what is this? I don't know. One of those little butterflies for windows there. The bow ties. And this looks like those things for screwing down speakers. Speaker wires. We got more junk. Let's see if the bearings work. Dude, they're all gummy. Yuck. It's crazy. Oh yeah, keep fused bearings. You know, you never know when you want a fused bearing. And these are very old Moretz. Tell this old because I don't know what this is for, but is this like for someone's electrical panel? This one? Like there's maybe they're electrical things for old stereo. Anyway, that's what I got in here. I hope you like the little display of this stuff in here. There's lots of. It's missing one drawer. That's the one with the disappearing hand. See, ta-da, in there. So anyway, like, subscribe, tell me how you like my channel, leave some comments, and toodles. Oh, there's a button down here. I think you can click to. Where's that thing? Ta-da.